In this video, we analyze the effect of COVID-19 on travel and the industry. To limit the spread of the coronavirus disease, a total of 217 countries and territories worldwide have imposed travel restrictions, according to a report by the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Such travel curbs have turned the travel and tourism industry into one of the largest casualties of the coronavirus pandemic. To prevent the spread within the industry, airlines are requiring every passenger to wear a mask. Also, most airlines are emptying the middle seats to keep distance between their passengers. We have reached the point where planes are leaving the airports with the minimum number of passengers, sometimes completely empty. Due to this situation, the airline's passenger revenue is estimated to plunge by $314 billion in total, or 55%, and the aviation industry could take years to fully recover. The average number of commercial flights per day fell from more than 100,000 in January and February this year to around 78,500 in March and 29,400 in April. Of a total of 217 destinations, 97 or 45% implemented total or partial border closures, 65 or 30% suspended flights totally or partially, 39 or 18% enforced border closures aimed at a specific group of destinations, and 16 or the remaining 7% implemented other measures such as requiring visitors to quarantine. Next, we focus on the travel and tourism industry overall. In addition to airlines, hotels have also been hit by the reduction in travel. It came as several major hotel chains announced layoffs and reduction in wages. Marriott and Hilton, some of the world's largest hotel chains, have furloughed thousands of employees. The tourism industry contributes around 10.3% of global GDP and generates roughly 1 in 4 of the world's new jobs over the past 5 years. However, the sudden halt in global travel due to the pandemic would result in more than 100 million job losses this year. That would contribute to an estimated $2.7 trillion decline in travel and tourism GDP in 2020, the analysts showed. Some governments have stepped in to offer a lifeline for those struggling, including the U.S. Department of Treasury announcing that American Airlines, Frontier Airlines, Hawaiian Airlines, SkyWest Airlines, and Spirit Airlines have signed letters of intent setting out the terms on which Treasury would extend loans under Division A, Title IV, Subtitle A of the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, or the CARES Act. Due to the recently imposed travel bans for European visitors, the U.S. estimated a visitor loss of around 850,000 and a visitor spending loss of $3.4 billion for the month of March alone. Depending on the percentage drop in occupancy, the hotel industry might lose up to $500 billion in GDP contribution in 2020 and a loss of 6.5 million jobs in the hotel sector respectively. The 2020 travel decline will result in a loss of $80 billion in taxes. Of the 22 million unemployed, 8 million of those people, or 36%, come from the travel industry. Destination marketing organizations, or DMOs, whose jobs are to promote a location as an attractive travel destination, have a lack of cash that caused many furloughs and layoffs in the industry. While some smaller travel and tourism related businesses can obtain help through the CARES Act and its Paycheck Protection Program, DMOs can't because they are considered nonprofits. This is it for our video about the effect of COVID-19 on travel and tourism industry. We hope you all stay safe and continue to take care.